Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Carson here at Tacoma Lifestyle. Today we are super excited to show you a new product that we have on our website. It is the long-awaited Meso Customs and Morimoto collaboration taillights. So as you know, Meso Customs collaborated with Morimoto LED, and they have made these epic taillights, and they are super good looking. So there are two different models and options. We're gonna throw them on each side, just so you're gonna be debating which one to get. We're gonna compare them side to side and show you what they look like with them on and reverse and with the turn signals as well. So there are two different models. Right here you have the clear lens, and right here is the red lens. The clear has more of a blacked out housing. There's not as much red in it, has that super good looking black aftermarket look. Both of them have a sequential pattern with the turn signal, and I'll show you that here shortly when it's installed. Right here is the red lens. As you can see, there's not as much black in here besides the reverse light area, but there's not a lot of black in the housing. Everything is just a straight red. So this is more of an OEM look, but an aftermarket OEM look. So we're gonna go ahead and throw these on right now. As you know, before we did a video putting on my Alpha Rex Lux Series taillights, which I have loved. So we're gonna swap those out and throw on the Meso. It is a super easy install. You just need a 10mm socket wrench, and that is all you will need. All right, and to start, all you're gonna do is remove this top screw right here and this very bottom screw right here. All right, and now that you've pulled both of those bolts, it is now time to pull the light back. What I like to do is just grab right here and this far end, you'll just pull straight back and it'll pop right out of place. Just like that, and that'll expose all of your wiring. So the cords are gonna be the exact same. They line up perfectly. What I like to do is work top to bottom, just so you can keep it in sync. The only difference is the new Morimoto Meso taillight is going to have this extra harness. This will not be plugging into anything. The only difference is this can change if you want a sequential pattern functionality, or if you are wanting it just to blink like a normal vehicle. I dig the sequential, so I'm gonna keep it wired with the sequential on here. So first, we're gonna start with just unplugging this top one. Just easy right there, that unplugs. Next, I'm gonna work here. Pull it out just like that. Now the old light is taken off. On this side, I'm gonna be throwing on the clear lens. I'm gonna put this wrapping back on just so we don't scratch anything. This is kind of a game of miss and match here until you find the ones that properly plug in. But the good thing is they will only plug into the proper input right there. So we plug that in. Go ahead and put that one in, and then the last one. Just like that. And everything snaps in perfectly into place. So now before we put everything in, I'm gonna start up my truck and just make sure that everything is running properly on there. All right, so we started it up, looks like it's working. So now we're gonna install it right back into the truck. So these cords will just tuck right in. And as you can see, you have these two pins that it will insert back into. So just gonna maneuver this back. These will snap back into place. And the fitment is awesome. I mean, they are so flush on these. Morimoto and Meso did such a good job with this. All right, now I'm going to throw in this top screw. Throw in this bottom screw. All right, next we're gonna throw on the red lens on the passenger side. Just follow the exact same steps that you did for the driver's side light. All right, guys, so this is the red lens installed. Like I said, everything has a cool, good, sleek red housing. I'm super impressed with the light output. This is during the day, and the light output is pretty impressive. I love that sequential look, and it kind of, if you look closely, it throws off more of an amber. It throws an amber LED out, which is super cool and I like. And I gotta say, the fitment with the Morimoto and Meso tail light is perfect. I mean, there is no gap through all this. I think it actually, the fitment is better than the OEM tail light. And right here we have the clear lens. I love both of them, but I gotta say this one is my favorite. Has that blacked out housing, and you can, with this clear lens, you can really see the amber LEDs popping out of here. All right, guys, and that is it. Super easy install. I'd like to know, which one is your favorite? Do you prefer the red lens or the clear lens? Go ahead and throw that in the comments below. As always, if you want to grab a pair of these, we are fully stocked here at the Tacoma Lifestyle Warehouse. We have tons in stock, so we will throw a link down here in the description where you can grab a pair. Thanks for watching as always, guys. We really appreciate it. See you next time.